Hey guys, Martin with Cypress Computers here, and today we're going to be talking about an unboxing video on a Corsair 16 gigs DDR4 3000 megahertz speed. So let's go ahead and have a look at it. Alright guys, so we're going to do the quick unboxing video of the DDR4 RAM real quick. So on this side we're going to have the stick that covers that, so we can go ahead and get this out of the way. It's a dual kit running 16 gigs at 3000 megahertz. So this is pretty much how it looks like. You got your plastic and your DDR4 RAM. So you got your Corsair logo and all the LPX stuff on it. And then on the other one it's just the same. Here we go. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be using this memory on a future custom build video, so just make sure that you're updated to the channel and we'll guide you through and have a look at what I'll be putting on together. Thank you for watching.